Thank you for purchasing our product. We hope this video will be helpful for your installation. Before you begin the installation, please prepare the following installation tools. Please place the furniture packaging box as indicated by the arrow, and gently cut the tape with a utility knife to avoid scratching the boards. Classify the boards by type and order of use and handle them with care. Find out the number 1, number 2, for number 3, number 4, and 2 number 5 parts. Assemble the 4 number 3 parts with number 2 and number 4 part as shown in the video. Fix hardware B17, C3, and D2 as shown in the video. Insert 2 number 5 parts into the number 4 part. Fix hardware B17, C3, and D2 as shown in the video. Find out the number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9 part. Install the number 6, number 7, number 8 part as shown in the video. Insert hardware B8 into number 1 part as shown in the video. Place the number 6 part onto the number 1 part. Fix hardware B8, C2, and D1 as shown in the video. Insert hardware B18 into number 1 part as shown in the video. Place the number 9 part onto the number 1 part as shown in the video. Fix hardware B18, C3, and D2 as shown in the video. Fix hardware B9, C2, and D1 as shown in the video. Tighten all the hardware as shown in the video. Find out and install to number 11 parts. Find out and install 11 pieces of number 10 part as shown in the video. Find out and insert number 12 part into number 10 part. Then install the last piece of number 10 part. Find out the 2 number 13 and number 14 part. Fix hardware B16, C3, D2 with 2 number 13 parts as shown in the video. Put the number 14 part onto position. Fix hardware B17, C3, and D2 as shown in the video. Find out the number 15, number 16, 2 number 17, and 2 number 18 parts. Insert number 15, number 16, 2 number 17 parts into 2 number 18 parts as shown in the video. Put number 15 and number 16 part onto position and secure with hardware B11. Fix hardware B10 and D2 as shown in the video. Fix hardware B9 and D1 as shown in the video. Fix hardware B4 and C2 as shown in the video. Find out the number 19, number 20, and number 21 part. Insert number 19 and number 20 part into number 21 part as shown in the video. Put number 19 part onto position and secure with hardware B5 and D1. Fix hardware B4 and C2 as shown in the video. Put number 20 to part onto position and secure with hardware B20, C3, and D2. Find out the number 23, number 24, two number 25, two number 26, and two number 27 parts. Install two number 27 parts into number 23 and number 24 part with hardware B15 and D2 as shown in the video. Install two number 25 parts into number 23 and number 24 part as shown in the video. Insert two number 26 parts into number 23 and number 24 part and secure with hardware B12, C3. Install number 23 part with component A1, A2 into number 22 part and secure with hardware B21, C3, D2. Install number 24 part with component A1, A2 into number 22 part, and secure with hardware B21, C3, D2. Find out and insert two number 28 parts into number 22 part. Find out and place the number 29 part onto number 1 part. Secure the number 1 and number 29 part with hardware A3, B20, C3, and D2. Find out and assemble the number 30 and number 97 part together. Assemble the number 30 part and hardware A3 together. Fix the number 29 and number 30 part with hardware B20, C3, D2. Find out and insert the number 28 part into number 29 part as shown in the video. Find out the number 31 and number 32 part. Fix the number 31 and number 32 part with hardware B22, C3, D2. Find out the 4 number 3, number 33, number 34, and 2 number 35 parts. Install the 4 number 3 parts as shown in the video. Fix the number 33 and number 35 part, number 34 and number 35 part with hardware B18, C3, D2. Place the number 33 and number 34 part onto position. Fix the number 32 and number 33 part, number 31 and number 34 part with hardware B17, C3, D2. Find out the number 36, number 37, and 4 number 38 parts. Put number 36 part onto position. Fix the number 36 and 2 number 38 parts with hardware B17, C3, D2. Put number 37 part onto position. Fix the number 37 and 2 number 38 parts with hardware B17, C3, D2. Find out the number 39, number 40, and 2 number 41 parts. Fix the number 39 and number 41 part, number 40 and number 41 part with hardware B23, C3, D2. Install the number 39, number 40 into number 36, number 37 part. Find out and put 2 number 42 parts onto position. Fix hardware B17, C3, D2 as shown in the video. Find out and put 2 number 43 parts onto position. Fix hardware B17, C3, D2 as shown in the video. Find out the number 44 and 2 number 45 parts. Put the number 44 part into position and fix with 2 number 45 parts and hardware B17, C3, D2. Tighten all the hardware. Find out 2 number 50 and 2 number 51 parts. Insert 2 number 51 parts into 2 number 50 parts and fix with hardware B13, C3, D2. Find out 2 number 11, number 46, number 47, number 49, number 50 parts. Insert 2 number 46 parts into number 11, number 47, number 49, number 50 parts as shown in the video. Insert 2 number 46 parts into number 33 and number 34 part as shown in the video. Fix hardware B19 and C3 as shown in the video. Fix hardware B5 as shown in the video. Make sure the long tube faces inside. Insert the number 52 part into 2 number 47 parts as shown in the video. Find out number 53, number 54, 2 number 55 and 2 number 56 parts. Insert two number 55 and two number 56 parts into number 53, number 54 part as shown in the video. Insert the number 53 and number 54 part into number 52 part as shown in the video. Fix hardware B7, C2, D1 as shown in the video. Install the number 57 part into number 52 part as shown in the video. Insert hardware A4 and number 60 to part, and secure with hardware B17, D2. Adjust the cable, insert hardware A4 and two number 63 parts, and secure with hardware B17, D2. Adjust the cable, insert hardware A4 and number 60 to part, and secure with hardware B17, D2. Find out the number 62, number 66, and two number 67 parts. Assemble the number 62, number 66, and two number 67 parts together, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Fix number 57 part with hardware C4 as shown in the video. Find out the two number 58, number 64, four number 68, and two number 69 parts. Fix number 58 part with hardware B6, D1 as shown in the video. Assemble the number 64, two number 68, and number 69 part with hardware B17. Install the combination and secure with hardware D2. Install the cable into number 68 part as shown in the video. Install the combination and secure with hardware D2. Install the cable into number 68 part as shown in the video. Fix number 58 part with hardware B6, D1 as shown in the video. Assemble the number 62, two number 66, and number 70 part, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Find out the number 59, three number 62, five number 65, and four number 67 parts. Install the cable number 59 as shown in the video. Fix the number 65 part with hardware B14, C3, D2 as shown in the video. Fix the number 65 part with hardware B17, D2, a 2 as shown in the video. Fix two number 65 parts with hardware B14, C3, D2 as shown in the video. Fix the number 65 part with hardware B17, D2, A4 as shown in the video. Fix the number 62 part with hardware B14, D2. Assemble each number 62 part with two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Find out number 62, two number 67 and number 71 part. Insert the cable into number 71 part and secure with hardware C3, D2. Assemble number 62 part with two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Find out two number 60 parts and disassemble the end of the cable. Fix two number 60 parts with hardware B13, D2 as shown in the video. Install the cable as shown in the video. Fix number 62 part with hardware B14, C3, D2. Assemble number 62 part with two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Tighten all the hardware. Install the cable as shown in the video. Assemble number 62 part with two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Assemble each number 62 part with two number 72 parts, and secure with hardware B15, C3, D2. Tighten all the hardware. Insert the cable into number 41 part and assemble the end of the cable. Assemble number 62 part with number 66 and two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Find out number 61, number 86 part and the rest number 62, number 67 part. Fix number 61 part with hardware B10, D2 as shown in the video. Assemble each number 62 part with two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Tighten all the hardware. Assemble each number 62 part with two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B14, D2. Assemble number 62 part with number 86 and two number 67 parts, and secure with hardware B15, D2. Tighten all the hardware. Find out number 73, number 74, number 75, number 76, number 84, and number 85 part. Put number 74, number 76, number 85 part onto position, and secure with hardware B1. Fix hardware B2, C1 as shown in the video. Fix hardware B3, C1 as shown in the video. Install number 73, number 75, number 84 part as shown in the video. Find out number 82 and number 83 part. Assemble and fix with number 28 part. Install number 82 part as shown in the video. Fix two number 78 parts as shown in the video. Fix number 77 part as shown in the video. Find out two number 79, four number 80, and four number 81 parts. Install two number 79, four number 80, and four number 81 parts. Tighten number 57 part until the slack is removed from the high cable. Install number 88 and number 95 part as shown in the video. Install two number 88, number 91, and number 94 part as shown in the video. Insert number 48 part as shown in the video. Install two number 88 and number 93 parts as shown in the video. Install number 87 and number 89 part as shown in the video. Thank you for your trust and purchase. If you have any questions about assembly, please feel free to contact us.